Well, let's see if I can rumble through this a little faster than the last one I did for a different product. My name is Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is the Stock Your Store Done For You Spreadsheet Bundle PLR. It's a mouthful. So let's just go with spreadsheets to sell on Etsy that you have PLR rights to. Oh, that sounds much more interesting. And it's $12 for this product. Let's go inside, give you a quick look here. So they kind of show you roughly what spreadsheets are, ready to sell, commercial rights, completely, you can edit them. And here they show you some Etsy sellers making 20,000 sales, which is a ton of money. There's a real market there for these kind of spreadsheets. Here we go, you get PLR rights. They show you some of the different ones that are here, auto-updating, year-to-date charts, that kind of thing, and a bit of information about it there. Really what you're gonna care about is start selling them right away. They're Google Sheets, edit as you please, sell as your own. I don't know about giveaway to build your list, but you could. And there's some bonuses that go with it. Give that away. So here you go. 3 ready to sell spreadsheets created using Google Sheets specifically for bloggers and affiliate marketers. So that's the kind of the market you're looking into in this particular one for bloggers and affiliate marketers. And there you go. You can pass a PLR on to these customers. So you can sell PLR rights to them. And then the bonuses are there as well. And the whole 9 yards, like I say, $12. And they have sample spreadsheets included with dummy data to show your customers how the completed sheets will look, which gives them a good idea of what they're going to get out of it. I'm going to stop right there. It's $12. Links in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then you'll see the same product box with the Stock Your Shop bundle kind of thing. Click the link and away you go. You can grab it for $12 as we speak right now. And bonuses are included the whole 9 yards. So go check it out. Links in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.